market opening, so we'll come back to you later. But for now, here's the first tick on the index. Absolutely quiet for the Nifty, up just about 4 odd points. The mid-cap index is up about 70 odd points. So a flat opening, but now trending into the red for the Bank Nifty, down about 3 points, but nothing alarming really. Suffice to say, it's an absolutely flat opening. What's happening with the gainers? Let's take a look at that first. ICICI Bank, ahead of its numbers on Saturday, is up almost 0.7%. You have Dr. Reddy's, that's in the green, up 0.6%. Divi's Lab. So a lot of these pharma names are doing well. Bajaj Finserv is trending in the green now, up almost 0.5%. LTI Mindtree is also up about 0.3%. And Sun Pharma is up about 0.2%. So these are the list of gainers. On the losing end, it's IT, HCL Tech, Infosys are in the red right now. A tad bit really. TCS as well, trending lower. And something like a Hero MotoCorp from the auto space down about 0.5%. Apollo Hospitals, Axis Bank just trending in the red at the moment. Nothing alarming. But for now, very quiet for the headline index. It's the mid-cap index that's starting to surge now. So L&T Finance Holdings is one of the big movers, 3% higher on that. Reliance Industries, by the way, let's just see where that rate is settling as of now. Reliance Industries will come up for you on your screen in a bit. We'll get to that. But for now, very, very quiet for the Nifty, absolutely flat. The mid-cap index is doing a better job, actually, up almost about 65 odd points. Can Fin Homes, despite the, NII profits being above estimates, Can Fin Homes is sulking just a tad bit, but there's plenty of action in the broader
Well, that's
market.
right. Can Fin Homes went into these earnings with a gain of 2.5%, so it's giving some part of that. But as Sonia mentioned, those numbers are quite good. What's losing out today is Shree Cement. They've got a letter from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Remember, our team had told you that this was likely to happen. And now they've confirmed that. So the stock did take a bit of a downtick. And now, in fact, it's reacting to this news flow overnight. So it's down close to 2.5%. We'll be waiting to see what's the outcome of that income tax survey that was conducted on the company. Amara Raja as well is down close to around 1% to kickstart things. What's doing well? L&T Finance Holdings, those numbers look quite good. The stock is up close to around 1.5%. Your Federal Bank, well, they've gone ahead with their fundraising plans and they've raised their required capital. Stock opens up with a gain of close to 1%. Concord, earlier the exchange said that it will be excluded from the F&O trading. Now they're saying they're reversing that decision, so it'll continue to trade in F&O. So that stock's up close to around 1% odd. Union Bank, I'm not sure what's going on there, but that stock is building on volumes, and that's up close to around 3%. For the time being, the Nifty is down close to around 20 points, but you need to keep in mind that the star performer for the last few days has been Reliance Industries. So in that sense, the star batsman is not participating for the first time. We'll get a better rate at around 9:45 to around 10 a.m. odd. Prashant.
Okay, well, market breadth is pretty strong. It's just, 2 minutes of the market, and things are looking quite good. 2:1. Over 2:1 is what the advanced decline ratio is now at. Just a few names. Look at something like straight off the bat. I mean, this is not the first stock that I would mention when we start to address open, but Premier Explosives. There's been an explosion higher on Premier Explosives. Day before yesterday, it saw a bit of a profit taking, but just a one-way move. Yesterday, I think, was up 10%. Today, it starts about 4% higher. And it's got volumes, and that's why I'm kind of mentioning it right off. Look at Titagarh. Titagarh had a big day yesterday. Vivek highlighted that HSBC note on Titagarh. Stocks up another 5% this morning, 622, 623. Again, a one-way kind of move. There is TV18 Broadcast, which was up 10% yesterday. It's up another 2% this morning. Again, it's got volumes. We've got Newgen, which reported numbers during market hours yesterday, 4.5% on top of the gains that we saw in trade, yesterday. We got PNC Infra, which is a contractor, basically, 7% on PNC Infra, 368 on volumes at this point in the day. So this is quite something. KCP Sugar Industries, I mean, keep an eye on this one. It's up 16%. I mean, it's a small stock, $30, but volumes are not bad for this time as far as the open is concerned. I'll just take a quick look at stuff for the downside. I think Shree we mentioned, Amara Raja we mentioned. Amara Raja has got volumes. It's down 1.25%. There was a big block which happened. Paytm starts slightly lower. I don't know, something has happened on Krishna Diagnostic. That's down 13%. It's got volumes as well, 464 on Krishna Diagnostics. It'll come up on your screen.
Okay, I think Krishna Diagnostics.
That's Krishna Medical. Krishna Diagnostics is the one that I'm talking about. and that is down 13%. Yeah, there you go. Big volumes.
The
Sorry.
National Health Mission of Rajasthan has cancelled one letter of acceptance for providing laboratory services for Krishna Diagnostics. So that is down about 13%. The other one that's getting a big knock is transformers and rectifiers. So now down almost 16% on that. It's got a stop deal notice from GETCO, which is the Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation. They don't want to deal with the company for a period of 3 years. There are some allegations made. So that's down almost 18%, not looking good at the moment. So these are two stocks that are seeing some double-digit losses. Otherwise, for the market overall, I mean, it's now actually starting to trend in the red. So 40 points lower for the Nifty now.
And with 49 stocks trading. Right?
Yeah. The star batsman's not yet there.
Is not in, and that'll join the crease at 10 o'clock, 10 this morning. Let's actually take a quick look at where where Reliance is at in its own price discovery session for a quick bit, and then we'll move on. Well, it's down 4.6, so 130 rupee difference. 27.07. No, there's still time. We're still in the first half of this price discovery session for Reliance ex Jio Financial Services. Tata Communication is up 1.5%. Started in the red. Numbers are in line to slightly subdued, but the stock's now recovered. It's up 1.5 at about 16.40 or so. Ashwin